Hello, my name is Joe Devo from Digital Portal PH. In today's tutorial, we are going to create an account with Convertkit. Before that, here are the things you can use Convertkit for. Now, let's go to the official website of Convertkit, which is convertkit.com, and click on Sign Up for Free. After clicking Sign Up for Free, you will be asked if you have used an email marketing tool before. If your answer is yes, select the appropriate platform and Convertkit will customize your import instructions from your previous provider. Now, select the number of subscribers you are moving. But if you answered no to the first question, you will be directed immediately to this page and you'll be asked if you have a website. Click yes if you own a website. Select the appropriate platform you are using. After selecting the appropriate platform you're using for your website, choose what kind of creator you are. You will also be prompted to this page if you don't have a website, then click Continue. Finally, we are in the last step of the sign-up process, which is securing your login details. Make sure you are using a valid email address and remember your password. After inputting your login details, tick on the box to agree with the privacy policy, terms and agreement of Convertkit. Then click Get Started. Congratulations! You have successfully created your free Convertkit account. This will be the look of your dashboard. From here, you can now start creating your very first landing page or opt-in form and monitor the growth of your subscribers. Try to navigate around and familiarize yourself with the dashboard, because in the next tutorial, we are going to create some forms and landing pages and implement them on your website or use it on your social media pages. Thank you for watching. For more related content, please visit digitalportalph.com and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to our official social media sites. See you in our next tutorial. Again, this is Joe Devo, and I'm out.